so-called friends let her down. And I was the one who took her in when that fool put her out.
I know.
Yeah, a true friend indeed. You see, I was there when chips was going down.
You know I know.
But she betrayed me. Caught him with a...
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them you know.
Hello, Msjulzb. What's up? What's good? What's crack-a-lacking? How you been? How have you been? It's been a while. I think it's been like a week and a couple days, or a week or whatever. So yes, I've seen the responses to my mama's video. Y'all be liking her story time. Wanna like mix up here? Wanna love the little mix up? Wanna mix it bud? I'm joking, but anyways, part 2 will be out shortly. Just stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned, big up the video, share the video, do all that stuff, and part 2 soon come out. Once we get to, let's say, 17 likes, we'll get, you know, part 2 will be released. So I want to share it, okay? Or else no part 2. That is final. Anyway, so for the month of March begins on Wednesday. I know it's still February. I have decided to not really vlog as much. Do you know what I mean? I want to try and switch up a little bit. So it'll be the month of story times. However, I will be doing one vlog, and that vlog will be for my launch party on March 11th for my cosmetics line, Brittle Jams Cosmetics. I will leave all the descriptions. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So be sure to check it out, and you know, you can always follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter if you want to be a bit more close, if you want to get to know me a bit more. So go ahead and add those. They'll also be in my description box. So let's get into today's video. So today's video is a story time. Yes, we have more mix up for Uno. One story time. Okay, go grab your cup of tea, go grab your popcorn, go grab your crisp, go grab whatever. Hold on, let me go grab my snacks. Wait, I soon come back. Okay, so wait. Yeah, I'm getting my little snack as well. Now me I go. Yeah, my good up. You know? Yeah. Hagen days, that's right. May I go eat as well. Okay, so too rich for my blood. Too rich. Let me behave now. Okay, cool. So some of you might have heard this story before because I did a Snapchat version of it, but obviously not everyone that's on my Snapchat, not all of my subscribers follow me on Snapchat, so I thought let me just bring it to YouTube. Anyways, let's go. So when I was much younger, I was madly in love with this guy. Let's call him D. Yeah, like me and D was like, I don't know, we were so inseparable. Wherever you see me, you see D. Wherever you see D, you see me. Like, we were proper inseparable. Everyone knew about us. My family knew about him. His family knew about me. Like, we were very inseparable. Before I go and slaughter him, not slaughter him, but before I chat bad about him, he was a good guy in the sense of, like, at his age, we were what, 16? Yeah, we were both 16, so he was very manageable. Like, when we went out on dates, he would pull out the chair for me. Like, he would buy me really nice gifts. He wasn't shabby. Like, he was very kind. Let me tell you, he knew what that guy, like, he knew presents. Yeah, he would buy me the little no, honey. The money was buck. Let me tell you, he knew how to flourish me with gifts. But besides that, he was quite genuine in the sense of you could see the love. Do you know what I mean? In both of us, in both of us, like we were very, very much in love. Anyways, let me tell you something. When you have a good man, yeah, you don't go bragging and showing him the entire world, in the sense of you don't introduce him to all your friends, especially if you know your friend them is a little bit of a love for teeth people man. Yeah, you keep them away from the little nasty friend them with love for teeth people man. Yeah. Anyways, so what had happened was that his mum was in hospital, and I had gone around his house with my friend at the time. I won't even call her best friend, but at the time she was very close to me. So we had gone to his house now. And I introduced them to, like, yeah, this is my girl and this is my man kind of thing. So, you know, the night was going good. We were all like having a laugh because it was a very serious moment. Like, it was a very serious condition that his mum was going, not condition, but his mum was ill, put it that way. So to cheer him up, you know, we're all having a laugh, all having banter, like proper, you know, just chilling and whatever. So then, as time passed, you know, it just got regular for all of us to kind of chill. So in December 2013 or 2012, whichever, but I was 16, that's what that's important, or 17, or whenever, when I went to college basically. So then in that December time, I don't know what he did to aggravate me, but see me, my temper is short. So he aggravate me, I respond without even thinking. So anyways, we didn't break up, yeah. That's a very important point to this story. It wasn't broken up, it was on a break. But in theory, we're still doing what couples do. So was we really on a break, or we would still speak every day? We was, you know, still do the business. We'll still do the business, right? So what happened now? So fast forward a little bit. So one night, my friend said to me, "Oh, come over to my house." I never really slept at people's house. You know, I was a bit funny like that. I never really slept at people's house, but I thought, okay, since we're close and I haven't slept at your house before, why not? So I asked my cousin. My cousin said, "Yeah," because I was at my cousin's house at that time. So I had gone to the girl's house now, and this is where YouTube first came about, because we were making videos for the whole night, putting them on YouTube without editing them, so they were very raw footage. Putting them on YouTube, and then we would post them on her Facebook because she was logged in. So we were doing that for like quite a while that night, and people from her school was replying to was obviously dropping comments on the videos, and so was my so-called, not ex, well he's my ex now, but my boyfriend at the time, or my break boyfriend, whatever you want to call it. So he dropped a comment, and I'm thinking, like, when did you two become friends? You know, like, it's a bit funny, but I still stayed back and I was like, okay, let me just continue pre the situation, right? Cool. So we're still doing videos, uploading them in the whole circle, right? Until my man decides to go and message her. And you know, back in the day, when people used to message you, it used to pop up on the screen, yeah? Because she was on the laptop. So I see babe. I can't remember what the sentence said, but it had the word babe in it. I was thinking, why is my man calling you babe? At this point, me and him being on a break, just flew out the window, thinking, why is my man calling you babe? So what had happened was, now she clocked that I was putting the screen a bit too hard, so she grabbed up her laptop and ran downstairs. I was thinking, right, like, why is she run downstairs? So she came back up and I was like, oh, the Wi-Fi disconnected. Yeah, because I must have damn idiot written on my forehead. I was like, alright, cool. I took it. I just played the fool and took it. Yeah? So what happened, for the whole night it was a bit tense. We didn't do no more videos. I went to my bed, yeah, because I was 16, and to go back to my cousin's house, it was late. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I thought, okay, let me sleep till the morning. As soon as morning broke, believe you, I walked to my cousin's house, and that was, she lives in Edmonton, and my cousin lives in Tottenham at the time. So if you know what that is, it's a bit of a distance. Well, it's not a bit of a distance, but I walked here. I couldn't take the bus because my head was hurting. I was thinking, how can you just be doing this? Because the thing with me, I'm not stupid, do you know what I mean? I'm not a stupid girl, so instantly I thought it was a bit fishy. So I got to my cousin's house and I told my cousin and everything. It was very emotional because, listen, D was like my right rib. Like, literally, he was that guy. So, I called D and I was like, why are you and X, Y, and Z chatting? He was like, what do you mean? I goes, don't try and take me for an idiot, because, you know. So I explained to him, like, listen, I saw the message, so what's going on? He was like, nothing's going on, you're blowing it out of proportion, she's your friend. You know, I'm just giving it the, just chatting pure shit, yeah? So I goes, alright, cool, come to my cousin's house. I goes, come to my cousin's house, yeah? He came. So my cousin had a laptop, I goes, log into Facebook. I was logging to Facebook. He had no choice. He didn't have no choice. Wait, my throat's getting a bit dry. Hold on. Time for a little ice cream break. Hold on. It gets juicier. Woo! Hold on. I goes log into Facebook, yeah? He's like, why? I goes log into Facebook. Anyways, he logged into Facebook now. You see me? I'm an investigator, you know. I go in his message, yeah, and I find the gal, yeah. I clicked on the message. When I tell you, I saw pages, yeah, pages of conversation. So he logs in and he bolts through the door, like he leaves instantly. When I say he leaves, he didn't even say a word, he just left, yeah. Cool. I'm reading the story, so I'm getting the picture now. So let me tell you what, the girl is to blame, but isn't really to blame, because he was the one that really instigated it, because I read the messages, because she was like, oh, let's tell Tabia. He was like, no, yeah, and all this stupidness. So I keep on reading and it's getting so juicy. I'm like, yeah, I got all the evidence now. It's getting juicier and juicier. So I'm getting really into it now. Facebook logs me out. Facebook logs me out. I was so vexed. You know why it logged me out? Because when he got home, and then he logged in from his location, so it had logged me out from where I was vexed. When I tell you I was vexed, but thank God to Facebook, I found out that them two was creeping, and it got even deeper, because what had happened was, at the time I did forgive him, because you know when you love someone, you're thinking, oh, I can't live without him, he's my boo thing, he's my boyfriend, like, I don't want to lose him, all that stupidness. So I forgave him, but didn't forgive the girl. I did not forgive the girl, because I don't know why, but I thought back then I should be like, you know, the girl should have been more loyal to, I don't know why I thought it was a bit stupid. I should forgive both of them if I forgave him, but I didn't forgive the girl. So we were now in beef, not beef, but there was pasta, because we both went to the same college, yeah, and like it just got out, like it got out in college, like she slept with my boyfriend, like people were mad angry, all them things there. And like, they were like, oh, do you want me to beat her up? I was like, no, it's not that deep. Do you know what I mean? It's okay, kind of thing. Like, I don't talk to her, she don't talk to me, it's cool. But then when she see that things wasn't going her way now, the little nasty girl started lying and said how my ex-boyfriend gave her X, Y, and Z, and how he breeded her. And that's when my ex-boyfriend got so upset. He was like, what? So then he printed off all these, he printed off like 10 pages of, not texts, but like Facebook convos. When I read it, I was thinking, the girl wicked. She was so wicked and bad. I can't remember the rest of the messages. And it got deeper and it got longer and it was just pure pasta. But the moral of the story, guys, don't introduce your man to females that you know love man. If you have a man that is good to you and you know you have a friend that love man, do not introduce them. Even if the girl is your cousin, or your goddaughter, or your godmom, whatever she is to you, it don't matter. They don't have to cross paths. You understand? They do. If you want to talk to my man, I'm here. I'm here. Let me deliver your message. You don't need to have no contact with him. And that is why I'm like this till this present day. Nobody don't need to have my man's number. You understand? No, man. You need to keep that. There needs to be a separation. Yeah, there's no, oh, I got her man's number so I can text him. No, girls are sneaky. And please, guys, Msjulzb, I'm so messy. Msjulzb, please learn from my lesson. Don't let it come and catch you. Because after the girl said that it wasn't going her way, and me and him got back together and he was treating me the best type of way, the girl started lying about bare things to match us up. Bare things. She even went to him and tried to tell some crappy lie about me. You understand? So girls are bad man. When they see you living good with your man, they start trouble, yeah? So my advice to you is, Msjulzb, boyfriend and friend, They don't need to mix and mingle. Apart from when you have a birthday or a little celebration, everyone can get together then, yes. But not individually, no. I don't play them games there, and I will never play them games there. Listen, I got bit by that snake, yeah? And it will never happen to me again. And another thing, you see if a man's treating you good, don't tell nobody. Because listen, they'll go after the same treatment. Even if he's not your man, even if he's a side thing, or if he's just your link, or if he's your sugar daddy, you keep that stuff to yourself, because the girls, woman, them wicked bad. Females are wicked, bad. Even though I'm a female, I ain't wicked. But I've listened. Certain things you can't come in here and say, yeah, because we'll get long. But let me tell you, girls, they're wicked. They're wicked little girl them. And you know what's funny? I always find out their dirty deeds. Like, it always comes back to me. It's all, and the girl. You see if you have a bunch of friends, yeah, and everybody in that group love to take away for you, or love to come and try have what's yours after you've had it already. They're not good. They're not good. Drop them out before it gets too late. If I had not spoken to the nasty girl again after she got do what she do, last year the whole passer wouldn't have happened, and I can't really talk about that passer right now. But there was some passer with her last year, yeah. But that's my story time. I don't even know what I'm gonna call the story time, to be quite honest. And bare things, as Malika Skylight says, and bare things. And as Tati said, when gal are good, gal are good. Oh, Jules, me new Jules, me in between Jules. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for the support and the love. Because honestly, I feel the love on Snapchat, and through the comment section. Like, the love is there, the love is real. Thank you so much. I love my support. I love my team. I love my family, because you just are the real MVP. Yeah, and don't forget it, and you're beautiful, and don't let no one else tell you nothing different. If a girl tell you something different, tell her so she don't know what she talk about, and walk off bossy and say when girl good by Tatiana. Yeah. But yeah, so I'll probably do another story time I say next week. So I'll try to drop a story time at least once or twice a week, either from myself or my turn up family member them. Yeah, because they have enough too. Because when girl great. Anyways, my lovelies, my loves, all of that stuff, me jewels. Love you long time, yeah? So see you again. And remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you soon. So
Thank you.